Hi guys, welcome to another short video on how you can use Bookit to return safely to the lab. So in this case, we are introducing a new concept that we called a limited number of people in the lab at the same time. And in this case, if you know already that your lab can only have 2 people, 3 people, 4 or even 5 people at the same time in the lab, you just create lab slots according to the number of people that can be in there at the same time. So one slot corresponds to one person. So basically you assure that more than a certain number of people won't be in the lab at the same time for sure. So in this case, we are only allowing 2 people to be in the lab at the same time. So we created lab slot 1 and lab slot 2. And then we see here, for example, that on Wednesday, Lisa and John will be there at the same time, but then no one else can do anything in the lab at that time because there are no slots available. So you can book other slots outside of this time period, and you can actually check on the day. If we check a daily view and then go to tomorrow, you see that the times that they booked was from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. So those two people will be there at the same time, but no one else will. And then if we move on to Friday, for example, we see that John did a booking on slot 1 from 1 p.m. until 7, and then ourselves did from 1 p.m. until 6 p.m. So this is a nice way that we can use to make sure that only a limited number of people are in the lab working at the same time, and you can use Bookit for it and still assure that you're complying with the social distancing measures, but helping people also returning to the lab slowly and safely. Thank you very much and stay safe, everyone.